first up is going to be a 6-pack of ties that comes pretty inexpensive. This one's $12.98. They range everywhere between $11.99 to about $17 for a 6-pack of ties. You really can't beat that. The next item is a laptop bag. Comes in this nice gray color, which is on trend. You can also get it in blue. Also comes in black. All three colors are pretty great as him colors, not to be that person that puts them in the box, but just traditional. The next item is a little more offbeat. It's tooth whitener, activated charcoal, coconut teeth whitener. I'm sure someone would appreciate going to the befores and afters. It comes in 2 different flavors, peppermint and spearmint, and it's $12.99. Next up are Nike slides. They are $18.75, again on Amazon. Great deals are on Amazon. Next, who's ever stepped on a logo? Yeah. They are about $18.80. I would choose either the seller with the best rating and the cheapest price. There's 2 listed for this particular Lego set, but Shop for Toys, and the other one is Captain Comet. But pretty good deal on the Lego set. It's about $20, and some little kid would love you for life. Next up is for her. This is the Tartelette Tease Clay Eyeshadow Palette, showing you those nice colors again with the zoom in on the Ulta website. But what a great find for $19. The next item up is a mini waffle maker for $7.49 on Amazon. A really good steal, and I know you all want to try those Kylie cinnamon bun waffles. Yeah, we all do. Next up is the Study Couture BH brush set. You get 12 brushes, which you really can't beat. It's $19.50, and Afterpay is, I mean, it's detrimental, you guys. But it's a really great service. You should check it out. I can't believe BH is offering this service. Next up is the Diaries Light Up White Marquee Letters. Of course, I had to do a D for Duvessa. And I wanted to check it out in silver. It looks really good in silver, $11.62. Really cute little addition to a room. And then for the little girls, Stompies, the little Minnie Mouse Stompies. But then I clicked to see the sizes, and I realized there's sizes for adults too. And you guys, that is it. 10 items for less than $20 each. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification buttons, and I will see you guys next time.